Welcome to another video of Kian Data Smart Home. This video is dedicated to introduction of DNAKE touch panels, or let's say DNAKE indoor monitors. Here in this video we have 904M, which is a 10-inch Android touch panel from DNAKE. This home is smarted by Z-Wave using Vera control unit, MCO home for thermostats and touch switches. This model has both Wi-Fi and LAN connection. I have installed home remote in this touch panel. You can see that by controlling touch switches, immediately you have the feedback in touch panel, and using touch panel you can control lighting, curtains, and thermostats. This touch panel can be used as intercom if all the building has the equipments.